New to vending? If your Cantaloupe reader shows errors like device offline, card failed, or no MDB response, don't worry. In this step-by-step guide from ECM Vending, we'll walk you through exactly how to fix them, even if this is your first time. Before we begin, here's what you'll need: a cleaning card or soft cloth, a SIM ejector tool or small pin, and access to your Seed Live account. Step 1. Start with a simple reboot. Turn off your vending machine. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Give it 1 to 2 minutes to load. Check if the error clears. If the screen still shows an error like no MDB response, unplug the MDB cable, the one connecting the card reader to the vending control board. Firmly reconnect it. Make sure there's no pin damage or loose fitting. Step 3. Go to seedlive.cantaloupe.com and log in. Find your machine. If it shows 0 bars or hasn't communicated in hours, your reader may be offline. Step 4. Power off your machine. Open the reader housing. Use a SIM ejector or paperclip to remove and reinsert the SIM card. Make sure it clicks in securely, then power the machine back on. Step 5. Clean the card swipe slot and tap area. Use a cleaning card or alcohol wipe. Dirt buildup can cause swipe or tap errors, especially on older G10 and G11 models. If your machine is online, try a remote reboot. In Seed Live, go to your machine's page and click Reboot Device. This can fix frozen readers without visiting the machine. Bonus tip: clean your card readers monthly, check signal strength, and keep firmware updated in Seed Live. A little prevention avoids a lot of errors. If your reader won't turn on, won't update, or won't register, call Cantaloupe support at 1-888-561-4748. Have your serial number and machine name ready.
That's it. You've just completed your first Cantaloupe troubleshooting session. Need a printable version? Visit ecmvending.com/store for more resources like this, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly vending guides.